Hey friends, today we are making saltimbocca, an Italian dish, Italian cuisine.
Watch the video to the end for the recipe and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
For this you will need 2 chicken breast pieces, flatten the chicken breast piece to have good space to collect ingredients on it.
In a tray, put both the chicken breast piece to collect ingredients on it. Let's start sprinkling some salt and pepper on it. Sprinkle the salt and pepper as required. Sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken breast piece. Spread salt and pepper evenly with hands on the chicken breast to absorb. Filling of the saltimbocca is your choice. Here I am using mustard paste to give it some flavor. I am using mozzarella cheese and yellow cheddar cheese. You can also use Parmesan cheese
if you like.
To give it a flavor, I am using curry leaves. You can also use sage leaves. I am sprinkling oregano and peri seasoning as required. And if you like spicy food, you can add more spices. Roll it up well and lean it on a toothpick. In a pan, add some oil, cook the chicken breast. Cook each side for 1 minute. Cook the chicken until it turns brown. Your cheesy chicken saltimbocca is ready. It's the most easiest and quick recipe. You must try it. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.